Hey everybody, in the last video we did 3 articles with Wordplay AI. When we did that walkthrough, we did forget something pretty important, and it is the section-based editor. I didn't even go into the editor at all. Unfortunately, I just clicked view on every one of them. That's what this video is for. We're going to jump into the Wordplay editor and see what we can do, see what kind of functions it has, see how nice it is. And just as a recap, we have, looks like 1,900 words left. So I'm not sure if it's going to use those words for sections being added in. I would assume it does, but I don't know for sure. So let's go ahead and mess with the Fitbit charge for review. So I'm not sure exactly what we can do. Looks like you just hover over it and click edit. It's very basic. Okay, so this one gives you some formatting control. You can add links, lists, okay. The very minimum. That's interesting. So the introduction, you can't have it rewrite, but the actual sections you can, and you can't do anything with the H2s or anything like that either. Okay, so let's try to rewrite an article. Let's go ahead and do this one. Built-in Spotify, your personal music companion. We can't change that at all. I want to do 2 tests. I want to see what it'll do if I change the title and what it'll do regular. So we're going to do this. Edit here, click rewrite. Are you sure you want to rewrite this section? Confirm. Now, hopefully this doesn't take too long. Wordplay AI was actually surprisingly fast. And look at that, it's already done. It pretty much made the exact same style. I was not sure if it would switch up the style, so maybe we should try that as well in a second. But yeah, let's go ahead and change this up. All right, and we'll keep this section title pretty plain Jane. Fitness and health tracking. Let's see if it actually makes a difference. Edit, and see right now it's talking about the Spotify feature. We'll rewrite, see if it starts talking about fitness and health tracking. Yes, it does. So it does base it off of the H2. That's awesome. The Fitbit Charge 4 offers a wide range of fitness and health tracking features to help stay on top of your wellness goals. That's awesome. That's great. That's perfect. So now let's see if it keeps the same structure. So let's find a bullet point. Ooh, this one here. So we got here. Let's go ahead and rewrite this one. And then we'll go check to see if it's actually using our words. I do think it is. I'd be surprised if it isn't. And if it isn't, that's pretty awesome. Okay, so it did keep the same basic structure. It did not keep the formatting though. So it looks like when you rewrite, you do lose the formatting. Another one is when you cancel instead of save, it saves it anyways. So that's a bug. We found a nice little bug there. Go back to usage. Let's refresh. And currently it does not use words to rewrite sections. That's pretty awesome. I have to admit, that's pretty cool. Pleasantly surprised there. So we still have the same 1955 words we had before. So once you write the article, that's it. Now, one thing I did notice when we were in there, I'm hoping they change this in the future. There's nowhere to add. There's nowhere to add sections. So you can't do a whole lot of post editing. It's basically just rewriting and readjusting. So that's the editor is extremely limited. I wouldn't rely on it too much. I'd love to have the ability to add pictures here, add YouTube videos, and add entire sections. That would be awesome. Overall, not bad. Pretty neat feature. I like the fact that they don't charge you for the usage. I don't like that you can't rewrite the introduction. I can imagine this will be abused and adjusted later with limits. But as of right now, works pretty well. I'd like to see those features I talked about, but otherwise, pretty awesome. That does round out everything. I think we covered everything between the 2 videos now. It is definitely faster content. The rewriting's pretty cool. It's basic, but it's cool. They don't charge you the words for it, so that's awesome. The SEO scores are honestly pretty darn good. Some of the best I've seen with AI writers. I don't know about the checks and balances. I don't know how we could test that, but the content itself is a lot better, and I mean a lot better. Coran Van Ward, well done, sir. You officially have a decent AI writer. All right, and that's it for this one. Hopefully it's pretty short, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye.